Hey traders, Nick here. After the market closed, what a day, what a couple of days. So the 26th of April today, and I'm going to look back at a few tickers that actually reported to see if we can trade them going forward. So this is Chipotle, incredible move. It busted through all kinds of resistance. We don't need these lines anymore. And now it's in all-time high territory. So the knee-jerk reaction, people want to short it or chase it. Let's address both of those things. First of all, if you don't subscribe to the channel, do so. I'll tell you why. We're going live. Like this morning before the market opened, I did a whole hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes of live charts before the market opened. And you will get notified if you put the bell on when you subscribe to the channel. It's free so far. So then we had this discussion. What do we do with the stock? The instinct that I got. So we had 310 people in the live room today. Those who were interested in this, half of them wanted to go long and half of them wanted to go short. And shorting it is tempting, but what am I shorting? It just broke out the last bit of resistance. So it becomes, I want to try a short for no particular reason other than it's been so high. And if it works out, great. I don't condone shorting it the traditional way, but if I sell a call spread or buy a put spread, that's doable. Not what I would do. And those of you who are enticed to chase, and you're chasing it at an all-time high, are you investing? Are you trading? Make sure that if you're trading, you're fast enough to buy high, sell higher. If not, this here is not an obvious entry point. That's probably the easiest way to say this. It is not an obvious entry point. I'm not saying short it, just avoid it for now. If I wanted to get long, I'll probably be interested in it below 1700. I want to see it come back down to the neckline from which it sprang. Oh, it will never go back down there. I have patience. Is this the last stock on the planet? No. So I can wait. I'm not rushing into it. Fundamentally, this restaurant chain grows its comp sales like nobody's business. It's incredible. So don't short it based on that. Oh, but it's expensive. It's not. Let me prove it to you. So during the live session, we talked about this. And I opened the financials of this company, and then I opened the financial of McDonald's, which I believe is also doing well. So on the face of it, the reaction was, oh, this is too expensive. The PE is so high. But it's a growth company. PE doesn't matter as much as price to sales. So the price to sales is half as cheap. It's twice as cheap as McDonald's. So McDonald's is twice as expensive on the price to sales, even though it's cheaper on the PE. So it's not even worth a fair comparison. It's two different things. I don't think McDonald's grows sales like this one. The pandemic may have boosted McDonald's, but this one grows sales from years on back. Even during the pandemic, they did not fall in sales. That was pretty incredible. So respect the beast. Don't try to short it is my note. So basically, if somebody says, I'm looking to invest in it, you know what? Wait for a better entry point. You might be able to buy it in the 1800s, like not over 2000. And also of note, if you believe in the inverse Kramer, I think he said something about it belonging over 2000, which should be like, everything he says, it goes the other way. So I've heard. No offense, Kramer, but he's blocking me, so he's not reading any of my material. I'm sure of it. Okay, so too late to get in with confidence, too hot to short with confidence. So whatever you do, be little pieces at a time. That's it. Simple.